Hi, I'm Nadine Matheson, bestselling author, lawyer, and also the host of the Conversation podcast. And today I'm going to give you a very quick update on the Anthropic AI settlement because last night a big ruling came down. So yesterday, the judge gave preliminary approval to a $1.5 billion settlement. But what does that actually mean for authors like you and also authors like me? So back in June, there was a mixed ruling in the Anthropic lawsuit that was brought by three authors. The judge said that the training of AI chatbots on copyrighted books wasn't illegal and that this was covered under fair use. In the United Kingdom, this is known as fair dealing. But the judge did say that Anthropic had wrongfully acquired millions of books from pirate websites to improve its Claude chatbot, and that violated copyright. Claude is their version of ChatGPT, but copyright is what's at the heart of this case. So Anthropic proposes a deal. They don't want to go to trial, they settle. They will pay out $3,000 per pirated book plus interest, totaling $1.5 billion, and they agree to destroy the data sets containing 465,000 books in this case. So at first the judge delays approval. He wants to make sure that the claims process is crystal clear and that every eligible author was notified. And in his words, he wants to make sure that authors don't get the shaft. So after reviewing the details, he's now approved the settlement. We won't know the actual terms of the settlement yet. This hasn't been made public. But remember, a settlement isn't the same as a ruling. It doesn't create case law or precedent, but what it does is give us a blueprint for how future disputes might be resolved. So what happens next? If your book is on that 465,000 title list and it's registered in the US Copyright Office, you may be eligible for compensation. Formal notices should go out by the end of the year with instructions to claim, object, or to opt out of the settlement. There is a website, you can register your details. The links will be down in the description. So what does it mean for the rest of us? The lesson is clear in my opinion. You need to join your unions, whether that's Society of Authors, the Authors Guild, Writers Guild of Great Britain, because these battles are a game of risk. You don't know what's going to happen, and it's hard to fight these big tech companies on your own. So it's best to work together as a collective. But as I said, it's a settlement, it's not precedent, it's not case law, but it does give us guidance on what we can do in the future in order to protect ourselves as authors and make sure that our copyright, our intellectual property is no longer violated and protected. Bye.